Internet, magazine, televisions, they are all promoting unrealistic beauty standards. By listening to the societal pressures, many of us pierce themselves with sorrow by succumbing to crash diets and unhealthy eating habits. Some of us went under the knife to extremely alter their appearances. All of these lead to serious mental issues such as pride, vanity, obsession, depression, and even death. For the man looks at the outward appearances, while the Lord sees the heart. This verse teaches us that while humans tend to judge based on outward appearances, the Lord sees beyond the external and focuses on the condition of our hearts. This emphasizes the significance of cultivating pure and sincere heart, which matters the most to our Lord. Usually, when I submit my video entry to Goodwall, I use filter to look more presentable. But this time, I thank Goodwall for organizing the No Filter Challenge because this is the opportunity for us to remind our youth, our younger generations about the true meaning of natural beauty. It is about self-love. We should accept the many opportunities to improve ourselves and become a better version of ourselves. Also, we need to forgive our weaknesses and vulnerabilities. Do not be shy to wear our scars and flaws because they are the symbol of a well lived life and a symbol of resiliency. For me, natural beauty is about the harmony of mind, body, and soul. Thank you.